Hello, I'm Dave Kukowski, your Algebra 1A, 1B teacher. And today you're going to watch a short video on how to actually make foldables. Foldables will be required in my class. It is a proven theory that using foldables is extremely helpful. I will allow you to use the foldables on test, and you may also use them on homework. The key thing to remember about these foldables is the information that I will be giving you to put on these foldables actually will be seen again on the state exam. You may put extra information on there if you feel necessary, but the information that I give to you must be on there. Now, what is a foldable? There are several different types of foldables. You have this particular one, which I call a topic four-door. As you can see, the topic is out here on the side. This one happens to be definitions. These are the key words. And then when you open the doors, you'll have the actual definition in the front. And then you can see on this side that you have actual samples. Okay? So, that's my topic four-door. This is a topic three-door. This is kind of a different type that I'm being creative in making. As you can see, this particular one is about functions. Again, same information. You have the door. You have on this side, I think it's talking about the range. When you have the range, you open it up. It talks about the range. It gives you different types. Then on the bottom down here, this shows you how to actually graph a function. Okay. So again, this is my three-door topic. Another four-door on of order of operations. This particular one is an 8-door. Okay, and this one happens to be a 10-door. Okay. Now, as you can see, there's several different types that you can make. I am not requiring you to make any special type. You can be creative as you want, as you can see it with mine. Okay, so how do you make a foldable? It's pretty simple. All you're going to do is get a regular piece of paper, like so. Okay, and for example, if I wanted to make a 8-door, okay, what I would do is I'm going to take it, fold that piece of paper in half, like so. Then I'm going to fold it in half one more time. And this is the long ways. Some people call it folding hamburgers or whatever, okay? Hamburgers, tacos, all that type of stuff. I'm not going to go through that, okay? You're going to open it back up, okay? As you can see, you have several different types of creases. Now I'm going to do the same thing doing the four-way. So, just bear with me for a second here, folks. This is my first video. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. If not, you can tell me about it and then I'll put jokes in here. Okay? So I fold it taco ways, and I'm going to fold it one more time taco ways. Okay? So now I have this. I'm going to open it back up. And I don't know if you can see it on this right now, but I'm going to actually highlight it. But actually I have a bunch of different chambers. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to draw off these chambers so you can actually see what you have when you fold these. So just bear with me for a second while I draw these chambers. Now, if you are actually doing this, building your own, you can draw these off if you don't want to, if you want to. As you can see, some of mine have them, some of them don't. Maybe for the first couple times that you do this, you may want to do so. Draw these off so you know where you're going. Okay. As you can see, I have several different cells. Okay, now I can go several different ways with this, but what I want is I want my doors to open this way. Okay, like so. So now what I'm going to do is I take a pair of scissors, and on those lines, as you can see, hopefully my camera person's following me, on those lines I'm just going to cut up to that first ridge, like so. Okay? Now I'm only going to do half of this because I'm going to show you something with this particular one. I was showing examples. Now, as you can see, I have the doors. Once I have the doors established, all I'm going to do now is take my information, once I find my pen, and I'm going to put my topic here. I'm going to put my definition here. And I'm going to put my sample here. So now, as you can see, I have my topic, I have my definition, and I have a sample problem there. Now why I didn't cut the other side is because I just wanted to show you something real quick here. I've done this. I can actually do the same thing here if I wanted to make this a long 4-door, like this. I just fold it the opposite way. Make my cuts. Like so. And now what I have is a long particular one. That's one type of, foldable. The next foldable that I can show you is what I call the topic foldable. Again, normal piece of paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to not fold this one in half, but to the edge, like so. Okay? I'm going to draw a line so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Yes, I am scatterbrained. That's not the best line in the world, but as you can see, I have where I can actually put a topic on the top. So, I'm just going to put my topic. Okay? Like so. Now, in order to make it a 4-door, I'm just going to do the same thing I did before. Fold in half once, fold in half twice, open it back up, and and as you see, I'm not making my lines this time. I'm just going to make my cuts so I have my doors. So now what I have is a topic, and then I have the doors. Now, and you can write on these if you want to. As you can see with mine, everything is printed out on a separate piece of paper. What I have done here is, I'm not a salesman, is bought labels, and then I just put it on my computer and print it off on the labels, and I stick them on. You can do it either way. Write your own information in or put the labels on. Once again, this is for your benefit, but it will also be part of your grade in your interactive notebook. Every one of these that are displayed on the computer or by me will be required by you to keep in your interactive notebook. Again, it's for your benefit. You can use them on class or test, classwork or test. And please, be extremely creative. These are yours. I want you to use them, and if you're going to use them, I want you to enjoy that. Thank you for your time and diligence. Signing off, Mr. Kwiatkowski.